The legal consequences of, wait for it, not obtaining proper permits. What I'm always afraid of, and I think this is what anyone that's doing unpermitted work should be afraid of, is a situation where the building inspector comes out to the property and they attempt to conduct an inspection so that they can properly close out the permit. And because something has been either walled over or floored over or closed up, they can't conduct an adequate visual inspection to determine that the work was done properly. Now what is, you may have to actually rip out a wall. If it sounds exaggerated or improbable, it isn't. It's happened, and I've seen situations where it's happened. And so the property has had to be at least partially destroyed for the inspector to get under a floor or behind a wall to make sure that the plumbing or the wiring was done to code. So that's always the concern, is that you may have to rip out a deck, rip out a hot tub, move a shed because it's too close to a scenic road. And then buyers can sometimes take it one step further, and they can use that essentially as a cudgel to either extract a concession from the seller or pull out of the transaction altogether. And nobody could accuse them of being unreasonable, because basically what they're saying is, you did all this work at the property and you didn't pull any permits. We have no way of knowing if it was done correctly.